Oh my God, Peter, are you all right?
Oh
my God! Jesus Christ! The Messiah! You've returned! You've returned to bring us the good word!
What word?
A well a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word, a well a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word, a well a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word, a well a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word, a...
Is there anything else we should know about?
Oh, have you not heard?
Heard what?
A well a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word, a well a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word, a well a...
Hi, I'm Peter Griffin. I, for one, dream of an America where everybody knows that the bird is the word.
My God, is it possible? Have the boys in the lab confirm this.
Sir, our math shows that the bird is equal to or greater than the word.
Check it again!
Hello?
Oh, well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner, winner, bird.
That's annoying.